All right, Keith is back with your full check of the forecast. As we've said, it's feeling a lot more like December out there, and you're busy keeping track of stuff.
No, it's been storms. This one is not, is going to be as big a deal as the Thanksgiving one. One, the timing, and two, the amount. But it is another storm that's going to add to some snow, especially away from the coastline. So. Here we are. This is kind of like more or less the snow people say they like within reason. Like a lot of people will like a few inches. The timing is Thursday morning is a little bit tough. But we got a couple snow showers still out there. A few of them made it to the coastline, just a few flakes, but mostly they were in the mountains and foothills. They were blowing snow. We were looking at the web cameras today. Sugarloaf and Sunday River were just putting out as much snow as they can in addition to the natural stuff. Zoom out, here's our clipper coming down from Canada. That's where it originates. And as we talked about, these are usually continental storms that don't have a ton of moisture to work with. So the baseline is 1 to 3 inches of snow, which some of us will get. Some of us will get a little bit more than that, as we'll discuss. It doesn't come in, though, till tomorrow after sunset. So until then, temperatures tonight into the teens. We'll be in the single digits briefly, at least, into the mountains, especially over western Maine. Tomorrow, the first half of the day actually looks pretty nice. It's the nicest stretch we've seen so far this week. A lot of sunshine around. Temperatures are just about freezing or a little bit above. Then clouds race in from the west, and just around sunset, a couple of snow showers break out ahead of the actual system. Rain shower possible along the coast, snow shower elsewhere. So we'll just watch this for the southern half of the state for the evening commute. Sometimes these can be tricky. Just one snow shower out of nowhere can sometimes be more trouble than a storm that people know about. But the snow does fill in after 8, 9 o'clock, and then by 10, most of the state is into snow. The coastline, because of that south wind right off the water, dealing with mostly rain, and that'll be the case most of the night. This is midnight on Thursday. Snow, 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 rain, rain, rain into down East Maine. The best chance along the coast to change over will be early Thursday morning over southern and western coastal Maine. That's where we could clip enough cold air to see some snow. I think down east is likely all rain, but this is Thursday morning's commute, and it's not great. I mean, it's snowing. Temperatures are cold enough that it will be efficiently accumulating, including the roadways, again, away from the immediate coastline at least. So that's a little bit dicey, but you get to 9 or 10, and this thing's pretty much out of here, except for Aroostook County. So it's a quick moving storm system. It's just it comes through during the morning commute there. Under an inch along the coastline, 1 to 3 inland, 3 to 5 in the foothills and mountains, then 5 to 8. Just takes a little bit longer to get out of northern Maine. The back end of this on Friday is very cold. Temperatures in the 20s. Wind chills, though. This is wind chill at 3 p.m. on Friday, so not the middle of the night or anything. 4 below in Rangeley, 0 in Berlin, 12 in Westcasset. So if you've been holding back on any kind of winter clothing that you don't think you need yet, it's about now. It's about now that you probably want to bring that in. The weekend looks chilly too. Friday's the coldest day, but we're only in the 20s on Saturday. Some snow showers floating about in a festive kind of way over the weekend. Nothing that I would be too concerned about. We do warm back up mid next week. We could potentially be in the 50s for a day or two. That'll likely come with clouds and some rain if it does happen. So always keeping us on our toes. Not a linear thing this winter, but the next few days into the weekend at least look very wintry.
All right, I've got my hat and gloves in my bag, so
yeah,
I'm ready.
I go mitten. When it gets cold enough, I'm a mitten guy. I have no shame about that at all. I'm like, let's use our fingers for greater good altogether.
Exactly. Thanks, Keith.